How to activate Netspend Prepaid card. Hello and welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video of our channel. If you also got the prepaid card of Netspend, let me show you how you can easily activate it. There are not a lot of steps that you need to do. Within a couple of steps, your card will be activated. With that said, let's get straight into the video. Open up your web browser and open up the website of Netspend, which is netspend.com. Once you are here on the website of Netspend, you can see an option of Activate Card on the top right hand side of the screen. If you click on it, you can see this interface. Now first of all, you need to type in your card number and then type in your security code. The card number will be visible on the front of your card and the security code is the 3-digit code that you see on the back of your card. So just type in both of these information and click on continue. In the next step, you'll need to enter in your username and the password of your Netspend account. So the account that you created with Netspend, you just need to type it in, type in both of that information, and lastly, you'll have a section of creating your 4-digit PIN for your Netspend card. And once you create your PIN, your card will be successfully activated. So there are just only 3 steps. Firstly, type in your card number, your security code. Secondly, type in your username and password to verify yourself. And a third step is to create your PIN for your Netspend prepaid card. And your card of Netspend will be successfully activated. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. If you have any questions related to it, make sure that you comment down below. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.